it came about from, it sort of grew in importance. When we first started finding complexes with this adenovirus E1A protein, nobody really knew how important they were.
Right.
I'd come from ICRF in London, and we'd been working on TNH and P53 complexes, so we knew those complexes were important. So it was sort of built into my blood to think that those interactions were going to be interesting.
Right.
And so we found them and we're chasing them, but it was a couple years after we even found them before we got the first genetic evidence that the interactions were going to be important. And then they just kept growing in importance as we learned more and more about the proteins that they interacted with. And it was a time where, in some ways we couldn't do a wrong experiment. Everything you learned took you off in new directions. And so it was a terrific stage for all of us, I think.